My name is Dai Clegg, and I'd like to tell you a little bit more about the NERC Scenario PhD at the Walker Institute. I think this is great work and a very exciting project, but then I would. So I want to try and explain why you should as well. Policymakers in government and international agencies understand all too well that climate change will have major impact on particularly, and soonest in fact, on vulnerable populations such as in rural Africa, which is the focus for this work. But how will that impact manifest itself? Climate change at the meteorological level and impact at the livelihoods level of what people grow and eat, those links are not as well understood as they might be. And those impacts, they might be greater frequency and extremity of shocks such as floods and crop failures, or they might be incremental changes that populations and governments can actually adapt to. But sometimes those incremental changes reach a tipping point where a small change can have a disproportionate effect. Now in this work, we want to look at both how to build better and richer early warning systems for those major shocks to contribute to disaster risk reduction, but also to focus on seeking out those critical vulnerabilities where small change has big impact. And to do that, we need to bring together research results and data from multiple disciplines, which traditionally hasn't actually been done, be it meteorology, agriculture, hydrology, livelihoods, and potentially other disciplines. And to bring that data together to apply innovative data science to it, data mining and other statistical techniques, to understand that data and to tell the story of that data in a way that policymakers will get, so they can make good science-based decisions that will make a difference to people. But it isn't just about existing data and existing results. There'll also be field work. You'll need to go to Africa to understand how the data is gathered and to make sure that the systems in place are gathering the data that you need for your research. This is a big project. It's a complex project, a challenging project. And that's why we put together a very good, very strong team of supervisors for you. It is a complex project, but it has one which has potential for huge influence, not just in terms of the new science it will do, but also in terms of the application of that science to make a difference for people. So I hope I've piqued your interest in it a little bit, and if so, then we'll be hearing from you soon, I hope. But if you have got more questions or blanks that you need to fill in, then don't hesitate to get in touch with us. Thanks.